Hello po, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Pau. I am a person with autism and currently I am a law student. Pasensya po, I was stuttering again and I am making videos to hopefully inspire everyone and raise autism awareness and acceptance. Yun po. And isa sa mga natatanong sa akin madalas as an advocate is yung uh, what is the best advice that I can give sa mga magulang, no? Yun yung tatanong usually sa dulo pag nagsasalita ako about autism seminars, whether online or offline. And personally, ang sagot ko din is, yung for just be consistent in understanding your child, just be there to him or her at all times, and as he or she grows up, your child will understand you. Ito po ay based sa personal experience ko lamang po, no? So, kwento ko lang po, nung ako po ay na-diagnose, siyempre po, 16 years old, I was shocked din po, no? But at the same time, I was ecstatic. Parang at least sabi ko, okay, nice. At least alam ko na yung disorder ko, kung bakit ako nagkakaganito. So, mas nag-research pa more ako, especially when I got into my third year sa college, no? Doon ko talaga mas nalaman pa more. However, at the same time, na-frustrate din po ako nun sa magulang ko because at that time for me, I don't see the effort in them. True na uh, true na uh, hindi nila ako pina-therapy, and I understand that kasi walang pera, walang time, nasa college na, nag-aaral yung mga kapatid ko. However, na-frustrate ako from the fact na I don't see the effort like yung pagbabasa ng book or panonood ng vlog. So, lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila na, ma, pa, bakit hindi kayo basahin nyo lang yung kahit konting portion ng sa DSM, or bakit hindi kayo manood ng mga vlogs about autism or balita. Marami namang pinapakita yung news dyan, yung mga uh, point of views ng psychologist, pero ang sagot nila lagi is hindi ko talaga maintindihan yan or walang time. At first, syempre nainis ako kasi para sabi ko, bakit ganun? However, as I grow up, as time goes by, napagtanto ko na perhaps talagang nahihirapan lang talaga sila na intindihin kung ano ba talaga yon, and perhaps I was too focused on forcing my ideals to them kung what autism is, na nakalimutan ko yung na they are also trying their best for me, no, to understand me, and they're trying their best to love me, na kahit ganun they are giving their best. So yun po yung gusto kong sabihin sana sa mga parents, no, na for sure kung na you don't have to know to learn everything about autism. I mean, it's good to know. Masaya po ako if you are giving effort, syempre. And I'm sure masaya din yung child nyo, si Lo, no? Pag talagang you're, really into it. However, kung nahirapan man po kayo, nahirapan kayo mag-understand ng concepts, or nahirapan kayo talagang mag-intindi or how things work, it's okay, just take it in your own pace. However, just be there kung kailangan po nila, kung may kailangan nila ng kausap, just be there for them. Kung nalulungkot sila sa school, nahirapan mag-focus, and as they grow up, malalaman din po nila yan. They will feel your love, they will feel your efforts, they will feel your sacrifice, na kahit hindi tayo ganun ka-knowledgeable about autism or other disorders, they will know na you were there for them. And for that, I hope that I can help, na sana po nakatulong po ako. Ginawa ko lang din pong video na to kasi kakatapos lang po ng midterms namin ng Wednesday, although may isa pa pong exam sa Sunday. So but I kind of took this chance din po para make this video. So please pray for me po, nawa makapasa. Sobrang hirap po, especially yung civil procedure and persons and family relations. So yun po, marami pong salamat, and remember, nadyan po ang Diyos sa atin. Mahal po tayo ng Diyos. Thank you po.